How to create a folder in laptop Windows 11. Very easy steps. Do a right click in your desktop or wherever you want to create the folder. Once you do the right click, you will find the fourth option, new, and you do not have to move your cursor, just slide down to the right and select folder. Now do not click anywhere and click on this new folder and type the name my dog or anything which you want. Once you do that, click anywhere else and hooray, we have successfully created the folder. Now if you want to move this folder, you can do the right click and you can cut and you can paste it anywhere. You can also drag and drop anywhere in the folder. If you want to move files in the folder, you can simply drag the file to your newly created folder. So this is how you can create folder in Windows 11 laptop, and I hope you have find this tutorial helpful. Please hit the like and subscribe and do leave a comment. Have a wonderful day.